Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. The Honorable, the lecturer of the assessment of the performance test. Let me introduce myself. My name is Wawan Saifuddin Suhri. I'm a student of PPG Daljab 2 2022. Now I'm going to present the video of the practice of the assessment performance test. The topic is about developing of writing skill, and the material is about recount text. So this is my video.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, students. How are you today? Alhamdulillah, I'm great today ya. Class, as usual ya, before we start our activity today, it's better for you to start by praying. Please for the chief to lead the prayer.
Action, please. Describe together.
Yes.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Raditu billahi rabba wa bil islami dina wa bi Muhammadin nabiyya wa rasula. Rabbi zidni ilma warzuqni fahma. Amin ya rabbal alamin.
Okay, let let me start by checking your attendance ya, Mbak. Ade Bagus Dermawan. Oke. Ainunisa. Oke. Desta Apityo. Erna Tiana. Ilmani Syarah. Oke. Najwa Hoirunisa. Oh, iya. Nanda Septiawati. Oke. Ratna Dwi Lestari. Rita Puspitasari. Sekar Dwi Lutfiana. Siti Kholidah. Siti Zubaidah. Sopah Malvia. Vita Yulianti. Oke, good. Yeni Nur Hasana. Oke, ya. Class, this is our first meeting ya. What we learned today is same with previous meeting ya, about social function structure and also the language feature, and also you also will write a text ya. You can make a decision about what is topic, what is supporting, and then how about the grammar and also about the mechanic. It was the goals of our meeting today. But before we continue to the material, yeah, let me check your memorizing. Let me check your memorizing about our previous meeting. Yeah. What have we learned last week, Mbak?
Asking and giving opinions, sir.
Yes, asking and okay, good. Thanks for Mbak Siti ya, asking and giving opinion. What else, Mbak? Asking and giving opinion. Ada lagi yang lain? Mbak Ilmani.
We learn about social function, generic feature, and the linguistic.
Okay, we also learn about the social function, centric structure, and also the language feature of asking and giving opinion too, ya. And what else? Anyone will give additional answer? Mbak Sopa.
Social function is to
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, social function is ask and
or give the opinion,
okay, and then what else?
generic structure or are opening, statement, and closing.
Closing. Language feature.
It's about simple present tense.
Good. Thanks for Mbak Sopa. Woi. You are amazing, Mbak. Yeah, you was it now very well about the material. Yeah. So now, accept it, accept a social function, language feature, and also the language feature. What have we learned from asking and giving opinion, Mbak? Mbak Siti Holidah. How to speak English. Oh ya, wow, luar biasa ya. How to speak English. Ya. Last week we have already study ya about how to speak English. Of course, about asking and giving opinion. Thanks for Mbak Siti Holiday ya. Woi. Good job. Yeah. Today, what things that we will discuss today is about recount text. Recount text. For example, ya, for example, uh, yesterday, yesterday, I and my friend went to market. Yeah, I and my friend going to the market by motorcycle. Then there we bought a lot of vegetables. Yeah, there is where is it, Union, and then there is potato, and there was what else? Garlic, yeah, and etc. Yeah, it was the things that we had bought yesterday. Then we back to home. We back home at afternoon using our motorcycle. Yeah, it was my experience buying vegetables by yourself. Ya, itu adalah contoh ya Mbak. Jadi apa itu? What is report text, Mbak? What is report text? After you hear me about my story, what is report text, Mbak? Anyone can answer? Mbak Siti Holidah? Experience. Good job ya. Wih. Yeah, that's very good. Recount text is experience. Ya, tadi saya sudah cerita tentang pengalaman. Saya pergi ke pasar, saya beli sayuran, saya beli bawang, beli kentang dan lain sebagainya ya. Kemudian kita pulang lagi juga pakai motor. Itu kan cerita masa lalu. It was the recount text ya, recount text. It was the experience ya. So, for more you understanding about what is recount text itself, yeah, to make you more understanding, I have some questions here. Yeah, I have some questions here. Nah, do you have an experience or memory, Mbak? Oh, yeah. So you have, yeah. So, Mbak Desta, ya. What is your experience, Mbak Desta? Holiday in the beach. Okay, good. Holiday in the beach. Then, when did it happen? Last week. Okay, you go to the beach last week. And then, can you tell the event, Mbak? Yeah. Okay, good. So, what do you feel about the story, Mbak? It is very enjoyable. Yeah, good. Thanks for Mbak Desta ya. Ya. Okay, class. It was your friend experience ya. It was your friend experience. So, Mbak Desta tell to you if she had gone to beach. Ya. gone to the beach last week. Yeah, it was the Desta stories. Yeah. Next. So this is the sample of recount text. Yeah. This is the sample of recount text. The title is Thief. Yeah. Last week I went to a traditional market to buy some daily needs. As usual, it should be when, yeah. I went there alone and being a shopping list. After arriving at the market, I started searching the things I needed one by one. While I was bargaining the price of the some fruits, I saw a crowded condition where there was a thief. Yeah, it was the sample of recount text. Next, talk about the recount text. We also we learn about the definition and also the purpose. The definition and also the purpose. The definition of recount text is text that retells about the experience. It's same with the holiday say, yeah. Holiday say that recount is experience, sir. That's good, yeah. Recount is textile retell about the experience. It was about the experience, yeah. Then, do you get my point, Mbak? Yes, I do. Good. Next, we continue to the next slide. Then we talk about the generic structure. If we talk about the text, of course, we will learn about the generic structure. The first is about orientation. What is orientation? This is give the background information. Who, where, and when. The first paragraph, who, ya, who, where, and when. Siapa, di mana, dan kapan. Itu adalah paragraf pertama. And then events. This is a series of events. After we talk about the generic structure, we also will learn about the language feature. Language feature. What is language feature? Unsur kebahasaan, ya. So in this point, there is the first thing using tenses all of about past tense, ya. Talk about the language feature. We also will we should focus to you to discuss about the past tense, ya. Past tense. Okay, class. Before I tell to you what is simple past tense, maybe anyone know what is simple past tense? Mbak Desta, past event. Good. Thanks for Mbak Desta, ya. Good job, good job, good job. How about the sentence, Mbak? How about the sentence? Mbak Siti using verb to. Okay, good. Simple past tense using verb to, ya, Mbak, ya. Verb to. Good. Thanks for Mbak Siti. Okay, we always applause, applause, and applause again, ya. Okay, to make you more spirit. Now, let me tell you about what is simple past tense itself. Yeah, I will tell to you what is simple past tense itself. Yeah, as what your friend said that simple past tense is using verb to. Okay, simple past tense in normal. Subject plus verb to plus object. For example, I from this present I go to school. Become I went to school. I had been studying. I had been studying. Saya telah sedang. Have had kan telah. Ing, to be ing itu sedang. Telah sedang. Saya telah sedang. Realitanya bagaimana? For example, you waiting for someone, ya, start from 7 o'clock, ya, and now you are still waiting. You wait someone, start from 7 o'clock, and until now you still waiting. You say to that person, hey, I had been waiting for you for 2 hours, for example. Saya udah nungguin kamu loh dari tadi udah 2 jam, begitu. Itu aplikasinya, ya. I had been studying, I had been waiting for you. Okay, it was about simple past tense. Do you have question, Mbak? So, do you understand, Mbak? Good. Next ya. Okay, before we continue, I will divide it you into some groups ya. Four student each group, four student each group ya. Jadi 4 siswa untuk setiap grupnya. So now I ask you to move your chair, to become a group. This is the first group, second, third, and fourth. Yeah, you may change the chair position to become a group. Only chair, yeah, only chair. It's okay, only chair. But Najwa, you can move, yeah. Mas Rangga, you can move there. It's okay. Yeah, join with your group friends. Yeah, this is your group. Move here. Okay, good. Okay, class. After you join with your groups, the first is I want you, yeah, to what is it? To pay attention to this text. Hello, Mbak. Please, for each group, pay attention to this text. Yeah, read this text and then answer these questions. What is the social function of the text about? 2. Read the text carefully and then put the mark on the generic structure of the recount text above. Yeah. And the last, underline three sentence in the text that express activities in the past, simple past tense. Yeah. The first is what is social function, and then the second is generic structure. You can give the mark, and then the last is you underline the three sentence of simple past tense. So do you understand, Mbak? Okay, you can do now. Okay, yeah, please, you can discuss with your friends, make a decision what is a social function. So I will show you again about the text, yeah. It was the text. Yeah, Mbak Sekar. Okay, you will go to toilet, yes, please. Yes, please. Okay. Okay, yeah. Okay, good. It was the generic structure. Where is the simple past tense, Mbak? Oh, good, good. It's very easy, yeah. Good, good. Okay, finish. Yeah, okay, finish. Now, I want you, maybe each group, yeah. I want you to, where is it? The first question is what is social function? Just mention, yeah. Just mention. Okay, yeah. Based on this text, yeah. For the first question is about the social function. What is the social function of this text? Raise your hand. Mbak Zubeda, do you want to answer? This is what this, Mbak. This one, Mbak. Is it the tip, Mbak? Is it correct? Maybe the others? The others? Mbak Ilmani, do you want to answer? About? Okay, good. Thanks for Mbak Ilmani, ya. This is text tell you about a fish, the fishing, yeah, the fishing. Okay, next. Talk about the generic structure. Generic structure. Anyone will give the mark? Just give the mark. Where is the orientation, if and reorientation? Anyone? One, raise your hand. Okay, Mbak Ilmani. Yeah. Where is the orientation? Yeah, where is the event? Event. Yeah, and then length reorientation. Okay, good. Okay, good job for Mbak Ilmani. Please give big applause ya to Mbak Ilmani. Okay. Okay, for the last question, please underline 3 sentences of simple past tense. Anyone raise your hand? Mbak Najwa, please. Okay, good. Okay, I went, good. Then it was, okay, good. And the last, I had, okay, good. Thanks for Mbak Najwa ya. It was good job, good answer. Okay, it was about the social function, generic structure, and language feature. Do you have questions, Mbak? Do you have questions, Mbak? No, I don't. Okay, let's we continue. Now we are going to make a writing, yeah, about the recount text. Before you make a whole writing, a good writing, I give you some tips to write a text. Yeah, this is start by using mind mapping. Yeah, class, please pay attention to this picture. Okay, mind mapping. Before you write down the mind mapping, you have to make a decision about what will you write, what you will you tell. Apa yang mau kalian ceritakan di situ? You make a decision. Tentukan dulu di situ apa yang mau kalian ceritakan, ya. Nanti setelah ini saya minta kalian per kelompok untuk menentukan kira-kira cerita dari siapa nih yang mau diangkat, ya. What experience that we will become a writing, ya. Each group. Next, there is a mind what is it? What the title it can be, yeah. And then next, you also will give about who will tell. For example, I. So this is you can I. And then where and when. The next point. And the next point again is the event. How the story what is it happen. And how about the ending? How about your feeling? Yeah, it was the point that you will write down the recount text. I will give you the sample. This is for the sample. Ya, pengalaman mengagetkan. Ya, first, I atau the writer. Where and when? Last night at home. Last night at home. How about the event? Listen to music. The crowd screaming out. I was sing a song. So after this mind mapping, you can change become a text. This is a sample of text. Take from the mind mapping. Yeah. Last night I was listening to music until I fell asleep. I put my earphone and played my favorite song. Then things happened. Yeah, it was the sample. Yeah, it was the sample how to write down. Start from the topic, and then you make what is it? Mind mapping, and then mind mapping become a draft. This is a draft text. Yeah. After you know about how to write down, so do you have questions, Mbak? Okay, good. Next. When you write down the text, when you try to write down the text, ya, ketika kalian mencoba menulis teks, ya, there is some rules. This is about capitalization, penggunaan huruf besar di awal, ya. In English, capital letter is used for the first word, ya, first word, and then for all proper nouns like specific person, class, organization, or things. And the last, organization, resolution, planet, and language, it using capital. Then capital, animal, element, minerals, theories, medical condition, it not using capital. Ya, sedikit lagi deh. This is using a punctuation, penggunaan tanda baca. Punctuation, full stop. This is titik, koma, ya, and the last, spelling. When you write down spelling, it's the the important things, ya. It was the important things. How we put letter together to form word, correct spelling. Jadi bagaimana kita menaruh kata-kata itu dalam teks biar baik, itu adalah spelling. Cara ngeceknya gimana sih? We can use Google Doc. Kita bisa pakai Google Doc, Mbak. Copy and paste your text into Google Doc online. And there is a red underline. Jadi ada kata-kata yang garis bawahnya merah, itu tanda bahwa ada error, bahwa ada kesalahan grammar, di situ ada kesalahan penulisan, ya. Oke. From this point, do you understand, Mbak? Ya. Do you understand, Mbak? Oke, good. Nggak usah, wis, lanjut aja. Oke, now we can do the LKPD 2. Now in groups, ya. Discuss about the topic. You can share your experience to your friends group. Share your experience, each person to your groups, and then make a decision where who is the experience that will write become a text, ya. Ceritanya siapa yang mau diangkat jadi sebuah teks, begitu, ya. Now please discuss about the topic, ya. Discuss with your groups. Discuss with your group. Okay, finish, ya. After you discuss, now you can find some supporting idea, ya. You can find supporting idea. For example, my experience going to the beach. What else? I and my friends, I and my family, and then what are you doing? You can make outline there. You can make outline there, ya. Okay, please write down the outline first. Have you finished, Mbak? Okay, good. Next. Now, please make a mind mapping of your topic. Next, ya. Please write down the mind mapping for each group. Ya. Take from your topic, write down the mind mapping. You can give about the you can give about the point by point, write down in your mind mapping. Okay. What story? My bad day. This one in the middle. My bad day. My bad day.
Gene.
Yeah, my bad day.
Iya.
Hmm. My bad day. Okay. Next, woo. You can make a line here. Woo. I, ya. I. Only I. Yeah. Then line, second line. Where and when. This is yesterday, ya. Yesterday. Okay, yesterday. Okay, this was about writing and mind mapping, ya. Okay, good. You can continue. Yeah. Okay, class, have you finished, Mbak? Okay, now after you write on the mind mapping, now please write down the first draft. Coba rubah, change your mind mapping become a text. Ya, your first draft. Write down the text from your mind mapping. Now you can write down the text from your mind mapping. You can start now, Mbak. If you have trouble, you can give me questions. Okay, let me check your first draft ya. Okay, going camping next weekend, my friends. Okay, it was the good story ya, Mbak. Okay, good job. Next ya. After you write down the text, now I want you to give your text to the other groups. Ya, give your text to the other groups. Ya, halo Mbak. You can give your text to to the other groups. Ya, you have to check. You have to make a peer feedback, or you can give a correction to the others' work. Yeah, please give your text to the others group. Change your text into the others group. Okay, finish. Okay, now please do the peer feedback. This is the point. Coba buat nilai koreksi hasil teks teman kalian atau grup lain. This is about the what is it? The rubric ya. You can give sign, you can give what is it? Additional word, you can give any others ya. For example, check your friend's text and then give score to the content. Topik jelas, cerita menarik, orisinil, itu nilainya 25 sampai 30 ya. And then organisasi gagasan, ada pendahuluan, isi, penutup, gagasan, lengkap ya, itu poinnya tinggi. Kemudian mekaniknya, tidak ada kesalahan ejaan, tulisan rapi, tidak ada salah ketik, pemilihan jenis, ukuran, sudah sesuai. Nah, silakan give score to your friends work. Have you finished, Mbak? Okay, after you give, what is it? Some correction to your friends, ya. Now, please give back the text to your friends group. Give back the text. Kembalikan teksnya kepada grup awal, ya. Give back the text to your friends. Give back. Okay, have you finished, Mbak? After you have back the text, now please rewrite. Silakan tulis kembali teksnya dengan masukan-masukan yang sudah kalian dapatkan dari teman-teman kalian ya. Coba apa saja ditulis ulang menjadikan final draft teks akhir kalian. Setelah tadi ada beberapa masukan dari teman-teman kalian ya, silakan ditulis ulang teksnya untuk menjadi final draft. Okay, do you get my point, Mbak? Hello, do you get my point? Okay, you can start now. I will check your text one by one ya. Where is your text, Mbak? Okay, good. Next. This is your text ya. Yeah, good. It was a good text. Okay, good job. Now, after you write down the text, Yeah, after you write down the text, for the last, I want you to make a text individually. Yeah, I want you to make a text one student one text based on your own stories. Ya, silakan buat teks versi kalian sendiri. Jadi alurnya tadi tentukan tadi mau cerita apa, and then you can write mind mapping and also write down the first draft. Ya, write down your own text. Okay, you can start now. Okay, finish ya. After you write down all your text, you can keep your text in the what is it class of meeting. Yeah, please give all your book to me, and then I will keep score to your work. Yeah. Okay. Because of the time had already over. Because the time had already over. Now, before we close, let me check your understanding about our meeting today. Yeah, I will check your understanding about our meeting today. Let me give you some questions. Yeah, what have we learned today, Mbak Desta? About recount text. Good, thanks for Mbak Desta. Yeah, keep close again. What about the other, Mbak Najwa? Okay, we discuss about the social function, generic structure, and also the language feature. Good, thanks for Mbak Najwa. Maybe the others, anyone? Again? Siapa? Mbak Ilmani, Mbak Ilmani. Oke, Mbak Ilmani.
Learn about how to write or the context of
How to write array context. Good. Okay, yeah, we give applause. Yeah, we have already discuss how to write down a text, especially in recount text. Okay, it was our material today. Before we close, let me give you some questions about our meeting today. Mbak, hello, Mbak. Do you happy joining the class, Mbak? Oh, thank you. So, what makes you happy, Mbak? What makes you happy? Anyone can give your opinion. What makes you happy? Mbak Holida. Oh, you can make a writing. Good. Maybe you can write down the text, yeah. Or maybe what is the difficult things, Mbak, of our meeting today? Mbak Sopa.
what we write from mind mapping become a text of
Write down from mind mapping become a text. Oh yeah, it was a difficult, yeah. But you have, yeah, give applause first. Thank you, Mbak Sopa, yeah. The solution is you have to more practice, Mbak Sopa. Yeah, you have to more practice, and until it became your habit tool. Yeah. Okay, class. Before we close, do you have questions? Do you have questions? Do you have questions? Okay. Don't forget, yeah, to submit your text to me after this class. Yeah, I will keep score to your work. Finally, because of there is no question, I think that's all for today. Thanks for your attention, and assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.